Hey guys, so it's the 9th of November and it's 10:30 in the morning. Woo! So at the moment I'm just finishing editing the vlog from yesterday. I forgot that I had some extra filming on my camera, so I'm putting that on there, and then I'm getting into my research paper. Woo! I've got 6 references so far, and I think I've got another 3 found, and I think I'm going to find a couple more just to make sure I've got enough references and variations and I get a good mark. So I've got my coffee. Yeah, editing, coffee, messy bed hair, but I don't care. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Hey guys, so it's 5 o'clock. So I've been kind of a little bit everywhere today. I went to uni and I had some awesome study time with Ashley. We studied for a few hours actually, getting some stuff done for our assignment, and I went for a walk at 3. I did a couple of laps of the wetlands, and I got home a little while ago. I've just been chilling out, and I just heated up some tea. It's curry and rice, so that should be fun. So I'm just going to eat that and watch Criminal Minds, because why not? Because it seems to be all I'm doing these days. Yeah. Hey guys, so it's 10 o'clock. Yeah, I've been sort of out of it today. I'm just actually getting ready for bed. I'm going to brush my teeth. I got sunlight today. I don't know if it's going to show up on here. Yeah, there we go. When I was out studying with Ashley, and I also went for a walk, so it didn't help that I didn't have much. I didn't like reapply my sunscreen, so I think got it the worst. Yeah, my legs are power white still though, so good for them. Yeah, so I'm just going to brush my teeth and go to bed. I'm actually thinking about filming my morning routine tomorrow. I got a really good idea, so I've written it all down, and I will see if that works. So I just thought I would let you know what I'm doing, what's been happening. So, okay, see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's 5:30. I just got home from studying with Ashley. I came home to make something to eat, then if I was in study mood later to go back and study with her. I just wanted to show you guys something. Look what I just bought. I just bought a coffee machine, and I'm going to open it for you guys with you watching. So, let's do this. This is so exciting. Oh my god, I just bought myself a coffee machine. Ooh. A voucher book. Coffee. Oh my god, that is so cool. Oh my god, that is awesome. That's so cool. Okay. Oh my god, did I get extra coffee with it? Wait, what is it? I don't know what it is. Can't open it with one hand. Let's go get my Stanley knife. Exciting. I didn't even check to see what else was in the box. I just bought a coffee machine. I went to Target, and my friend Ashley was there because I gave her a ride because she needed to get some things. But yeah, I just went in, saw the coffee machine, I lifted the lever, I closed the lever, pressed the button. Ooh, that looks interesting, and I bought it. I didn't even check. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. There we go. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh my god! That is so cool! I got like tester thingies. Oh my god, so now I can try all of them. Oh my god, that is awesome. But that's cappuccino. I bought a box of those. Chocolatto and Americano. Oh my god, that's awesome. That is so cool. That's awesome. Okay, next is the coffee machine. That's the drainy thingy. Oh my god. Okay, ready? Lift the plastic off. Oh, there's another booklet. Get started, kids. I'm just making eggs right now. I'm making steak as well, actually. But I was craving eggs, so I'm making them right now. Okay. Aww, there's an app. Cool. I might need 2 hands for this. Unless I can do one. Oh, got it. Look how beautiful it is. And white, shiny. Another thingy doozy in here. Ooh, warranty or something. Anything else? Okay. I'm going to read the book and get back to you with how this beautiful machine works. Just made tea, steak and veggies. So it's now 6:30 and I'm about to try out the coffee. I thought I would try out of that sample box. I thought I would try the Americano one. Because I was thinking of buying them in the shop. But I didn't, because I didn't know if I would like it. So buying them and them being here, it is so exciting, so I can actually try it. Now I think this is alright. Like, it's not a milk sachet. So yeah, see, that one says contains milk and soy, so that's the milk. That's the cappuccino. And these both contain milk and soy. Oh, but that one's brown. Contains milk and soy. Contains milk and soy. Okay then. Gonna try out this one. The Americano. Okay. Let's see how this goes. I'll film it all for you guys. Because I love you like that. Okay, so it's already plugged in. Beep. Button goes on. See, it's flashing red. And it will turn green when it's ready. Should probably read the instructions. Give me a second. Just let it flash and flash and flash. It's just heating up. There we go. Okay, so I just had to get the kit out again, like the instructions, just to double check how to do this. So I filled it up, turned it on. Okay, you push this up, and then you pull this. Oh. So you push this up, and you pull this out. That's where the capsule goes, and you put that in, and then you put that back in there. There we go. And then what do you do? And then you put them down. Oof, that took a bit of effort. I think that's right. And then you turn it over to hot, which I'll do in a minute, but I'm going to film that on my phone because it's going to be on Snapchat. And this one fills up, I think it said, let's check the box again. Americano 230ml. Okay, let's do this.